Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you a fun and fidget-friendly activity that you can do at home using natural ingredients. So, let's get started with making homemade slime. Now, this isn't your typical store-bought slime. We're going to be using natural ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. All you need is a 1/4 tsp borax powder found in laundry detergent aisle, a 1/2 cup clear or white washable PVA school glue, 1 cup of water divided into a 1/2 cups food coloring, glitter, confetti. Optional instructions. Step 1. In 1-3 bowls, dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon of borax powder into a 1/2 cup of warm water, mixing thoroughly. Step 2. In the second bowl, measure out about a 1/2 cup of clear glue and mix with a 1/2 cup of water until well mixed. Step 3. Pour the borax or water mixture into the glue or water mixture and stir it up. You will see it come together right away. It will seem stringy and clumpy, but that's okay. Remove from bowl. Step 4. Spend a few minutes kneading the mixture together. You may have leftover borax solution. Knead and play with your slime until smooth and stretchy. Enjoy! This is a great activity for kids and adults alike, and it's a fantastic way to bond with your loved ones. So, give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and fidget-friendly activities. Until next time, stay creative and keep fidgeting.